Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys how to get Discord guild tag and also create Discord guilds without access to the future. As you can see, if you see the option join waitlist for guild instead of apply to join, this means that you do not have access to this experiment. You can only join the waitlist once, and joining does not guarantee access to the experiment. So if I head over to my Discord right over here under my profile, I don't see any such option where it says get guild. That is because the Discord is currently in the beta version of guild. They haven't released it to the public yet, and this is only given to a limited number of servers. So if your account and your server is not selected, it's honestly unlucky, and there is nothing we can do until they release it to the full public. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.